Hi guys, good morning. Good morning. Welcome to Yaya's Life Fabulous. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, i-share ko lang sa inyo. Ngayon lang ako naka-time na siguro mag-open sa mga regalo sa mga kaibigan ko. I'm so lucky with my all friends in my life. So madami silang mga wine, at saka ito pa wine. Kasi alam nila na si Yaya mahilig mag-wine. At saka yung kaibigan ko parang ito kay Mark. I think this is a kitchen stuff. At saka galing sa twinkle ko, yung kaluha ko sa different parents. Napaka-sweet na mga kaibigan ko guys. At saka ito, nakabalot pa. Social na mga kaibigan ko. Stroll table, kitchen stuff. At saka mga maraming wine pa dito. Oh my God. Mga wine, champagne, at saka yung glass. Napaka-sweet sa mga ko. I'm so very lucky with all my friends. I'm so blessed sa kanila. Okay guys, today is a very nice day outside. And yeah, yesterday it was so windy and so cold. It's like a winter, but today you feel the spring, and the summer will be here soon in 2 months probably. So hi guys, look, it's so beautiful day. Yun mo sa labas. Tapos kahapon nandito yung nag-cut sa grass kahapon. So look, beautiful na yung grass. Pero babalik pa yun sila guys kasi di ba ikakat pa nila to, i-trim pa nila. So yun, they need to trim to make the landscape is very beautifully. Yes, so di ba may nag-start na doon. Tingnan mo guys, may nag-start na doon guys. Pag hold on. Nakikita mo yung lalaki na yan. So pagkatapos niya punta siya dito. Parang oh my God guys, this is like a very high maintenance right here. It's so beautiful outside guys. So this is like Yaya's Life Fabulous. See, it's very nice. So yun ang ko. So, hintayin ko yan siya matapos. Kasi to guys, di ba ito yung ko plant. Yan nila, i-trim, so mga ganyan. So, yung mga landscape. So, kailangan yung mga landscape talaga na maganda. Saka keep like beautiful. It's so beautiful. So, yun guys, ang ko. Yun ang yung sa front sa bahay, pero nandoon pa yun. All the way. Lang yun, half lang yun. Okay guys, it's very beautiful. Like I like this guys, yung color iwan ko ano bang tawag na halaman na to, but tingnan mo yung yellow niya, napakaganda ng kulay. So yeah, all right guys, this is Yaya's Life Fabulous, and have beautiful Friday, and have a nice weekend. Finally, this weekend is here. All right, stay next tune. Mwah!